Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of a garden bursting with juicy, red tomatoes this summer, but maybe your past attempts have been a little disappointing? We've all been there. You give them water, sunlight, and love, but the harvest is just okay. Well, today, that's all going to change. I am going to share the one hidden trick that professional growers use to get an absolutely massive tomato harvest. Seriously. This simple technique will revolutionize the way you plant tomatoes forever. And your neighbors will be begging for your secret. So, what is this magic trick? It's all about how you plant them in the ground. Most people dig a small hole, drop the seedling in, and cover it up. That's the standard way, right? Wrong. The pro secret is to plant your tomatoes sideways. Yes, you heard me correctly, sideways. It sounds crazy, but trust me, the science behind it is solid and the results are undeniable. This method is going to give your plants a huge head start and turn them into super producers. Here's how you do it. Take your tomato seedling and gently pinch off the lower sets of leaves, leaving just the top few. Now, instead of digging a deep hole, you're going to dig a shallow trench, just a few inches deep. Lay your tomato plant down in the trench, with the leafy top gently curving upwards, out of the soil. Then, cover the entire buried stem with dirt. So, what's happening underground? All those tiny hairs along the buried stem, called adventitious roots, will develop into a massive new root system. Think about it, instead of just a small root ball at the bottom. Your plant is now growing roots all along the buried stem. This supercharged root system can absorb so much more water and nutrients from the soil. A stronger root system means a stronger, healthier plant that's more resilient to drought and disease. And most importantly, it means the plant can support way more fruit. You'll see thicker stems, lusher leaves, and an incredible amount of tomatoes. This trick works for almost any type of indeterminate tomato. The ones that keep growing and producing all season long. So this year, ditch the old way of planting. Try the sideways trench method and prepare to be amazed. You'll be harvesting more delicious, homegrown tomatoes than you'll know what to do with. Give this a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. I can't wait to see your amazing harvests. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing gardening tips. Happy planting!